So you might be wondering how I can use the the private chat future. Okay. So first you go to file, then you go to import Roblox model. Never mind. Go to here, open asset details. And then you go into Roblox Studio. I know I have two of them, but I don't care. Okay, so this one's the wrong one. And then insert what is happening. Oh, sorry. And then we read the README. This is disabled. This model was made by AI, and delete the script. Don't worry, the local script in starter player scripts has the GUI. And I made this by AI. So please do not say I made this by human. And then when you're done picking this all out, you can just, So replicated storage. You can just drag them all out because there's only one. Can you just wait? And then when you play the game, this is what you will get. So it's right near the chat. When you press it, you get this. Player username. This is my username. I just type. And then I'll type some random stuff. And then down here, you're gonna get the message. Look. And that's a tutorial on how to do it. And I'll change the thing so I can put it on YouTube. Thank you for seeing the tutorial. Goodbye.